Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians, Paddock Kart Skill Dreams. First off, I just want to thank everyone for their support, comments, likes, views on the last video. Really appreciate all that stuff. So today is going to be, I don't know how many I've done, but it's model cars and coffee. Got my mug. Don't have any coffee in it. I just finished a coffee and then I was like, oh, I gotta make that video. I forgot. So I finished my coffee and then I remembered I had to make this video. But anyways, so the model, as you can see by the thumbnail, is a model that I built. It was my very first model I built back into the hobby as an adult. So I'd previously put down modeling when I was a teenager. I hadn't built for quite some time. I was sort of collecting kits here and there, nothing like I did in the future. After that, I was buying quite a bit, but I'd still bought in a couple kits here and there over the years, and geez, it was, I think it was really early 2000s that I got back into it, like the year 2000. So I graduated in 94, so it'd been about 6-7 years since I built. Maybe not quite that long. I still had a few models, and then I took them all apart and I wanted to rebuild them, which I kind of regret. I wish I would have just left them the way they were. But anyways, this is my first, like I said, first model back into the hobby, and I just found a website, Brian's Model Cars, and I actually took this one to my first show, model car show I'd ever went to, and I realized how bad my paint was. But yeah, after that I was like, oh wow, these guys are some awesome builders. So I knew I had to improve on my paint. This car looks cool in pictures and it looks alright, but the paint it's all orange peel. So anyways, I'll get this turned around and we'll have a look at this. Okay, so this is the AMT's 68 Shelby GT 500 kit. Not the best kit, decent enough details and whatnot, but I had some warping with the body, the hood. I did manage to get it all together and it sits flat, so that's good. I put Shima rims and tires on it, wheels and tires, so they fit really good on this body style. Didn't really do too much to the interior. Of course you can't see this way if you get better lighting. So yeah, you can see the paint, lots of orange peel on this. So this is done with, so I think I did it in a blue, a light blue, and then I put, I think it was a color by Boyd, Alumna alumina pearl, so it's like a yellow, transparent yellow. And then this is the color that actually came from that. It was kind of neat. I didn't know what I was going to end up with. I'm just looking at, there's a spot that showed the color, and I can't remember where it is now. Showed the original blue, but anyways, so I did this aluminum tubing exhaust, pretty basic underneath. I used the sock. I should have went with just the regular engine, because this doesn't even fit. I couldn't even put the air cleaner on it. This is the first time I did like a real wires for wiring, and some fuel lines on the wrong side there. Yeah, I had a lot of fun with this one. I learned a lot. Learned how bad my paint was. I never prepped this at all. I just threw paint on it. Didn't really know a whole lot about painting back then. It was just basically get it out, cut off any access plastic, and shoot paint. First time using BMF. Would have been the first time I did the aluminum tubing. I actually cut out the grill and used like a 60, I think it was a 69 grill in there. That turned out okay. What else did I do? I did at one point have photo etch emblems for the Cobra. Those fell off both sides. So obviously I didn't sand that off prior to building and painting, sorry. Pretty cool color though. But yeah, I definitely want to have another crack at this kit. I do have another one. So I'll definitely build this again one day. And I'd like to have another crack at it. You can see the mole line right there. There's a couple other spots you can see. But yeah, a lot of firsts on this one. Put some mesh in the back here. Just kind of doing custom things to it. Having fun with it. I did have photo etch hood pins on it. Those fell off. But yeah, I had a lot of fun with this one. Learned a lot. And really learned a lot when I took it to my first show. I was absolutely amazed at some of the work guys were putting out, and realized I really had to up my game on my paint. So yeah, that's the 68 AMT. Thank you to Paul for organizing, hosting this Model Cars and Coffee. Really enjoy it. Haven't been doing many videos lately, and this is basically all I've been doing. Haven't built very much. Kind of just sidetracked with other things around the house, and with the little one, and the wife with her new job. So we're still getting used to all the new stuff. She's in a new daycare as well, so she really likes it. A couple kids she knows. So yeah, we're just plugging away, and hopefully I can do some updates here soon. So thanks again, Paul. Can find his link in the description, and hope everyone has a great Sunday, and hopefully I can catch up with some videos. Alright guys, Take care. Model on. Pad out.
Thank you. Thank you very much.